Now you can analyze your knowledge with the help of the statistics area on the repeat page. Field Repeat Date indicates the date of the next repetition. Field Days Before After can show intervals in days, minutes, or seconds. This field can also include the code of the functional category in which the current page is located. If the planned date of the next repetition is expired, you will see the number of expired days in the parentheses next to the day interval in the field Days Before After. In this case, all data in the field are marked in red. If the date of the next planned repetition has not yet arrived, then the field Repeat Date will be highlighted in yellow, and the day interval value in the field Days Before After will be shown in black. When the curtain opens, instead of the heading Days Before After, a prompt with the planned repetition intervals appears. If the current interval is greater than 0, the prompt will consist of 3 numbers separated by a slash. The rightmost number in the prompt means the next increased day interval, which will be set when you click the right button on the pop-up button bar. The number in the middle shows the next reduced day interval, which will be set when you click the left button on the pop-up button bar. The leftmost number in the prompt indicates the initial minute interval, from which the additional repetition of the current page will begin after you click the left button on the pop-up button bar. The field Level shows the percentage to which the material of the current page is memorized relative to the interval of 256 days. The algorithm of the app uses 256 days as a reference, meaning that if you remember clearly the material after 256 days and can recall it fast and subconsciously, the material is considered as memorized. The field Efficiency shows how effective is your memorizing for the first 10-day repetitions of the material. The level and efficiency indicators are calculated with the same formula for all pages in your database and for all users. That is why these indicators can serve for comparison. If someone wants to compare the level and efficiency of memorizing the material for all datasets, or across different languages they learn in parallel, or to compare with their peers and classmates, they can easily do so by looking at those numbers. The comparison is universal and objective, taking into account the error in how the users assess the correctness of the answers when pressing left or right buttons on the pop-up button bar. The meaning of other fields is self-explanatory from the description included at the bottom of the statistics area of the repeat page. If something is not clear, write a comment to the video or contact us by email. The field Repeat Log Days Before After shows all day intervals that were set when learning the material. This feature is useful if you decide to memorize the material by your own repetition algorithm and want to track the set intervals. Statistics data for all pages are summarized in the Statistics section on the Start page of the app. Watch a separate video about this section. You will find the link to this video in the description. Stay with us and watch all videos through the links in the description to learn the advanced capabilities of the Repetitool app. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more.